In front of me is iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to personalize Siri, how to change its language and also the voice. So first of all, we have to open the settings, then find and select Siri and search. And here you will notice under Siri Ask, Siri language right here, so just mark it. And from the following list you can pick the one that you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, English, New Zealand, tap on change language. And then if you will go back, you will also be able to change Siri voice. So just click here and you can pick male or female voice. So it's up to you. Let me pick, for example, male. As you could hear, just let me volume it up a bit. Okay, and now you'll be able to hear it. So let me tap on it one more time.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
Or if you would like to have female voice, just click here.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
And that's it. This is how you can pick it, personalize it. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change Siri's voice and also language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.